All right, finally, spring has sprung, and now we can get into all the fun spring trends. I love it. Mickey's back. Yay! Yay! What'd you bring for us?
Well, first off, March 15th, darling.
Yes.
I'd like to do a toast with you.
Okay.
March 15th honors National Espresso Martini Day. Okay. So what better way to honor it than with the original blend of Tia Maria Coffee Liqueur. So good. Do you know the history of this? It's really cool.
I don't.
Back in the 80s, a London bartender, his name was Dick Bradswell, basically created this with the Tia Maria cold brew coffee, 1 ounce of that, 1 ounce of vodka, and 1 ounce, well not 1 ounce, 1 shot of espresso.
Okay.
Little coffee bean, shake it up. It created this amazing drink. That was in the 80s.
Oh.
And now it is the biggest cocktail everywhere, so I thought what a great thing, because it's March. It's all about spring trends. It's got a little bit of that 100% Arabica. Coffee beans layered with smooth vanilla and caramel.
Oh, this is good. Yeah, fantastic.
So good.
So good.
Way to celebrate.
Way to start. Okay.
Yes, okay. GLP-1s are like everywhere, right?
Right.
So we were looking at all these different kinds of things, and we obviously weren't going to say, oh, go ahead and take a GLP-1, right? But what I loved is self-nutrition. I am obsessed with this brand because it's so affordable. It doesn't have any of the nasties in it. It's just basically a great supplement brand, but it's also, do you know about this one?
So is this supposed to mimic a GLP-1?
It helps enhance your own.
Oh.
And she's just great. It's a woman-owned. She's amazing. Her name is Mariana Gomez. She's a nutritionist, clinical nutritionist, and she designed all of her supplements. She has so many, but this is one of my favorite. This is the Everyday Metabolic, and it enhances. It works with your natural GLP-1. It enhances. It helps you, just
helps your stomach empty slower, so you don't get hungry.
It actually just invigorates your own GLP-1 production.
Okay.
What's great too about it though is that it does help with better digestion. It's just a really incredible. It creates less cravings, which I really thought was great.
Yeah.
This is what people, when I was looking at the user reviews, they were all reporting less cravings, better digestion, and they said that they actually had early weight loss. Now, I'm obsessed with all of her products because they're really good, and again, they're affordable, and you can get them at Amazon, you can get them at Walmart. They're not like super expensive at all. They're what I'm saying, but I also love the fact that there are no harsh stimulants in her products.
Yes, that's the one thing about vitamins. You never know how your stomach's going to react.
And they're gluten-free, and they're just really, there's no artificial, additives, and there's no allergens. Just a really smart solution, and it's easy, and it's all the trend right now.
Yeah.
But this is just a great way to use a supplement. And if you're kind of thinking about it, why not try it?
Why not? Okay, what is this? Ooh, fun. Something to touch. What is this?
Okay, this is Loved One. This is John Legend's brand.
Oh, really?
That came out.
I didn't know
what I was originally drawn to this brand. This right here is their body moisturizer, their face and body moisturizer. I love it because you have scents. This right here is the fragrance-free. I love it because it doesn't have, it's all made with these botanical kind of ingredients. Sea buckthorn, rose hip, jojoba oil, coconut oil, shea butter, everything there. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It has none of the nasties. But what's great is really like rich whipped hydration.
And you can use this
on your face. Exactly. When I said you had to go and play with it. I love it too because it's just such a great. But the scented ones are really nice. It just really melts into your skin. But it's $14.
Oh, great. So
I love the affordability aspect of it, and I also love the fact that it's clean and it's just kind of something that you can use on your face and bring it through.
Luxurious. Okay, here.
FH1 has really been a great kind of leader in a lot of these combs and brushes that we saw, heat stylers. Now this is a combined, this is incredible. This is the Swift Styler. I love this. Look at this retractable brush. This is the Speed Styler. Okay, I just want to show you. We have the bristles right here to smooth out the hair. But look, this right here. Oh, it's locked. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
There you go. It goes away. It turns into a curling wand. So you have the brush and the wand. It's so great. Feel how good it is. I got a little lotion on it. But what's so great about it is it has that retractable wand. You can grip hair instantly. It releases with this incredible, releases just so easy. 2-in-1 styler. It has those smoothing comb bristles. It has this ceramic tourmaline, so you're having the frizz-free.
Oh, nice.
I love it because it gives you volume. It's such a great travel tool because it has everything that you need to travel. It's just a very smart. You have the lock there if you want to just go with it, but it has that patented glide switch that really makes it easy while it's in your hair.
Well, you can just pick your hair up like that. That's amazing.
Unbelievable. So you have the airbrush that you want to. If you want to have get the dampness out of your hair, and then you can just kind of click the switch and make sure you pull out the curl.
Oh, I love that.
How amazing is that? I know. You get a Target.
Oh, great. That's awesome.
Unbelievable.
Okay. Fantastic. Oh, beautiful jewelry.
Right now,
Pretty.
it was so much fun to start looking at accessories, and we got a lot of them sent to us, and it's just really great. The cuff is back.
I wore mine in honor of you today.
The cuff structured, bold pieces are really back. They're beautiful, and it's just so much fun. It's such an expression wear, right?
Yes.
Brighter pieces. Silver is all the rage again. Normeli made these incredible leather studded bracelets.
I love the leather ones. Yeah, that's
It's my
great.
absolute favorite. But this right here is their domed cuff. Really great little jewelry line. I want you to check them out because they really are kind of like cutting edge, and they create these really, I mean, look at that domed cuff.
They're super thick. They're heavy. They're like nice
they're
pieces.
real pieces of jewelry.
Yes.
We looked at pieces that were a little bit less expensive, and they looked less expensive.
Yeah.
This was just really good statement makers that were really good kind of like additions to your, these are kind of timeless. They will last long. And then I love.
These are like such fun statement pieces.
This is Vera. This is unbelievable. This is the Rainbow After the Storm Bonbon. I love this brand. I love
So
the guy
pretty.
who created this brand. I love this right here. I want you to play with this ring. This is absolutely
gosh,
gorgeous.
this is gorgeous.
Look at her. That's the mini chakra mandala cocktail ring. This is such an incredible brand. I love this brand, but what's really incredible about them too is that it's created after his wife passed away. He has this jewelry line that kind of honors her, and it's these beautiful, bright, lovely pieces.
Yes, happy pieces.
And it's just their expression. And this, Melissa McCarthy just wore one in an ad. They're just really great pieces. And cocktail ring and cocktail jewelry is back. But like I said, there are some pieces that you can find that look very inexpensive.
Those are nice
These pieces
pieces.
are the most beautiful I've seen. I mean,
I know. I love those too. These are great, Mickey. Thank you.
Isn't
A lot
that
of great
great?
stuff.
Great.
I love spring. It's the best time of year. Oh, all right.
It is, and it's also just like I feel like we're feeling spring
I know.
today.
Yeah, right.
You know?
We're vibing it out.
Good stuff.